A very good morning to all. Last class we have discussed about very important organic molecules and mechanism in organic chemistry. And in organic chemistry, hydrocarbons are very important. In this chapter, we are going to study about hydrocarbons. What do you mean by hydrocarbons? By hearing the name hydrocarbons, what you are getting? Any idea? Guess. Yes. Hydrocarbons are the substances which made up of hydrogen and carbon only. They contain carbon and hydrogen. This is the definition of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are the compounds which containing carbon and hydrogen only. We'll see hydrocarbons classification. They are classified in the basis of types of carbon-carbon bond. We know the catenation property of carbon, that is self-linking property. So carbon and carbon will link each other. This property is known as catenation. So based on this carbon-carbon bond, we can further classify it as saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Here you can see carbon-carbon bond formation by sharing of electron. We'll see what is saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons that contain only carbon-carbon single bond. Single bond. If a compound contains carbon-carbon single bond, then we can call it as saturated hydrocarbons. For example, alkanes. And further, it can be classified into open chain hydrocarbons as well as closed chain hydrocarbons. These are called saturated because they have maximum number of bonded hydrogen. What are alkynes? We have studied this in 10th standard. Alkanes, if we define alkanes, we can say that if different carbon atoms are joined together to form an open chain of carbon atoms with single bonds, they are called alkanes. Alkanes are the compound which having the open chain structure and the carbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond. For example, here you can see one of the alkyne, that is 2-methyl propyne. What is this type of closed chain? If carbon atom form a closed chain or ring, they are called cycloalkanes. You can see a cycloalkane here, that is CH2, CH2 like that. It will goes on. Then what are unsaturated hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. For example, alkenes and alkynes. If you take alkenes, there is carbon-carbon double bond. Alkynes, carbon-carbon triple bond. Then what are aromatic hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbons which contain at least one special type of hexagonal ring of carbon atoms with 3 double bond in the alternative position are called aromatic hydrocarbon. This ring is called aromatic ring. For example, 6-membered ring structure which contain alternative double bonds. Such compounds are known as aromatic hydrocarbons. Example, this is toluene, this is xylene. And aromatic compounds may also contain more than one benzene ring. This is naphthalene, this is anthracene. These all are aromatic hydrocarbon which contain only carbon and hydrogen. If it is a ring structure, it will be like this. So, if we summarize, hydrocarbons classified as saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated, aromatic. In saturated hydrocarbon, no double or triple bond, only single bond. Example, alkynes. Generally alkynes, for example, propane, methane, ethane, all things we can write. Unsaturated example, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes contain double bond, alkynes contain triple bond. Examples are given here. Aromatic hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which contain benzene ring. So we'll detail study about the first type of compounds, that are alkynes. What do you know about alkynes? In our lower classes, we have studied that alkanes having the general formula CnH2n plus 2. I hope you are remember these things. So we can define alkanes as alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon containing only carbon-carbon single bond in their molecule. They are also known as paraffins. At a high temperature and pressure, they undergo some types of reaction. We require high amount of energy for the reaction of alkynes. It can be further divided as open chain or acyclic and cycloalkanes or cyclic alkanes. Open chain and cyclic structure. It's a cyclic structure. We'll see open chain or acyclic alkynes. These are simple alkynes without any closed chains and which having the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Here n is the number of carbon. For example, if you want to write the compound alkyne which having 5 number of carbon, then how will we write? C5H2 into 5 plus 2. So, C5H12. This will be the formula of a compound having 5 number of carbon. For example, methane. Then acyclic. These contain a closed chain or ring in their molecule. They have the general formula CnH2n. You can see ring-like structures. Alkynes. Methane is the first member of this family, that is CH4. It is the first member. It has tetrahedral structure. This structure is known as tetrahedral structure, and we know for tetrahedral structure the hybridization is sp3. So it's contain 3 sigma bond. These are the representations of alkynes. Nomenclature of alkynes. This we have studied already. The same rules are applicable here. Select the longest chain number. Our substituent should get least number. And position of the substituent also we have to give. All the things we have studied. If there are more than one substituent, if there is 2, di, 3, tri, these all things also we should include. If there one methyl and ethyl group is there. Then first we have to write the ethyl group. We should follow the alphabetical order. We'll see how to prepare alkynes. Alkanes can be mainly prepared by three methods: from unsaturated hydrocarbons, from alkyl halides, from carboxylic acids. We will see each and every method one by one.